This tool is really designed to be applied as a tank mix partner with Roundup to help control tough to control weeds such as water hemp and palmer pigweed. But unlike some of the other products in that segment, we also do a great job with Marvel herbicide controlling lamb's quarter, velvet leaf, and morning glories. Our recommendation is to use a robust rate of a pre-emergent herbicide such as Authority, and then make a planned in-crop application of a product like Marvel to really help stay ahead of these weeds. I think by attempting to react to weed height, in other words, by going out to your field and saying, hey, I've got some emerged water hemp, or I've got some emerged palmer pigweed, and then recognizing that they're 2 or 3 inches tall and it's time to pull the trigger. By the time you get across all of those acres, many times the weeds have already grown and are up over 6 inches, and by that time it's really too late. Once the weeds get up over 4 to 6 inches, there's almost nothing left to control these weeds anymore.